guys, just like I promised, I'm gonna give you a tour of the shop. Since this is my new shop, this is my new office right here. Crown Rick Auto office. Step into my office. Have a seat. Just plug your nose because it stinks in here. Anyways, let's call this the temporary shop because this is super temporary. Finding a shop is not as easy as it sounds. So all this is private property, is gated. Right over here, usually we have homeless people camping out. Let's see if we catch any of them. No, usually they'll set up a tent right over there. They'll even like set up a little campfire. They got their little beans cooking on the fire. One of these days I'm gonna go there and arrest them. Who remembers that right there? I use this car for storage. One of these days I'm gonna search this car. I don't even remember what is in here or what's in that trunk. There goes the funny man's jail right there. The landlord lives right here. I'm gonna see if he's home because I need to borrow that shotgun. Can I borrow that shotgun? Jeez. Somebody's in a bad mood. Security funny man. Can you check the south perimeter? Check for criminals.
Security funny man, come in. This is Rick. I need you to check the south gate for possible criminal.
Bacao!
No. Funny man, is that you?
Bacao!
What the heck? Oh, no. Last time I seen you, you were in jail, bud. This is crazy. You're gonna harass me now? You got a badge? Oh, you arrested me? You wanna fight over the job? Huh?
Hello!
Back, dude. I'm back for my job, boy!
I heard a bunch of noise. What the heck's going on over here? Whoa. What the heck's going on here? What's going on, buddy? You alright? You alright, buddy? Ah, go walk it off. Go walk it off. Come on. Go walk it off. Jeez.
Hey, what's up, man?
Oh, what's up, man? What's going on?
What's up?
I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah.
What happened?
Bro, you sweat me, man. Just giving me a hard time, harassing me. What is this?
Man.
I came back from my job.
Yeah.
You've
been gone for so long. I had to give him your job, man.
Oh man, are you serious?
Yeah.
Funny, man?
I know, right?
Man.
That's what the kind of resources I've been freaking beat down to. But you know what? Don't worry about him. He's no good. He's a lazy security man. Right. So you're back.
Give him benefits and fire him. Disability.
All right.
Yeah, I ain't seen the new place yet.
Let's do it. Okay, right over here we have the bays. I'll show you that in a second. Over here I have my personal junkyard. As you can see over here, we are taking this car apart for parts. You know, there's little things here and there worth money. We're gonna get it out. We're gonna sell the frame. Got the steering wheel off. I know there's somebody out there who asked me if they can have a steering wheel. You can have it if you pick it up, but I'm not mailing you that. All right, so over here, most of these are for parts. This one is a 2000, only 16,000 miles. Parts cars. Fixing this car up right here. Take a better look. My own personal Crown Vic junkyard. We got mechanic boy right here.
Mechanic boy.
No, wait, what was it? Crown Vic Auto Mechanic.
What's going on?
What's up?
No,
We're doing a tour video.
Tour of what? Oh.
Just the whole place.
Oh, do a tour of that wiring harness.
Yeah. So these are the cars I'm working on over here. 2007 police interceptor. This is the one you guys can see on my Instagram. 2011, 2007. Got this 2008 right here. Taxi working on over there. Nothing special over here, just a bunch of junk. I'm not the one who made all this mess. That's just the way the mechanic likes to work. Oh crap! See, this is a hazard. We're just trying to work, and the damn weather's gotta get us. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. That was the tour of the shop. Not much. Subscribe. Hit that like button.
Do it.
We got a real car here, so no more pink Barbie car. Peace.